going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Your boy is back at the gas station. Not a surprise. Filling her up. As you guys can see, she is just looking super good. Gotta just admire that ruby red paint right now with that E85 station in the back. This is literally what I wanted to see since I got the car. Just seeing it at an E85 station like this, and it looks so damn freaking good. But yeah, guys, your boy's back for another video. To be honest, I don't even know what I'm gonna film today. So I just came to pump gas. I was like, maybe I could get the intro. I feel like maybe today's gonna be like a vlog style type of video, you know, just to see what we're doing, see what we're gonna go do. Probably go with the boy Chicken Joe and the boy Carlos SVT. Maybe get some footage there. It's always a fun time with them. So yeah, let's do it. But let me guys show you how clean she freaking is today. Detailed her, so she's looking super damn good. These wheels look so damn good when they are clean. When they are dirty, it is a freaking pain to clean, guys. Like, I didn't ever like understand how like hard it was to clean these, to like clean any wheels with just so many spokes. I was like, oh yeah, they look super clean because I've always saw them clean on like people's cars and stuff. But like, no, boys, now I know the struggle, and it's freaking hard. These wheels do not stay clean at all. But let me know what you guys think. She's looking super clean from every angle. Look at that. But yeah, guys, so let's get going with the vlog. Let's see what we do. Let's hop into the car. Let's get it. Made it with Carlos SVT right here. So you guys can see his parking. I'm trying to park right here behind the 50. You guys can see. Mr. 2VALVE Luna right there. Chopping. But yeah, boys, I actually want to show you my boy's brother got a Cobra, bro, or what?
A little termy. Got
a little termy. Gonna come check it out. We're vlogging. I told him I don't know what I'm doing today, bro. We're just vlogging. We're just gonna see what's up. Maybe throw some footage in there. Got the beautiful 50, 2VALVE Luna, and the termy. Sheesh. What a lineup in this one right here too. Sheesh. Ooh, that lineup is nasty, bro.
We're just missing the Z, boys.
We're just missing the Z. Shout out to my boy Chicken Joe right now. He's doing his driving test. He's trying to get his permit, so he's getting it right now. We got the boys Cobra right here, looking super beautiful, dude. Your brother chose it right, bro. This shit is nice with the R888s. The paint looks hella good too. Damn. It's clean with the little Brimbos up front. This shit is beautiful, boys. First time I see some R888s, bro. It's an aggressive ass pattern. And the paint is like hella good, bro. Look how clean that is. The whole black. Sheesh. It's beautiful, bro. Kenny Bill. Little tint. Can't even see. Kind of see through it.
Roll cage?
Oh, roll cage, huh? Damn. This shit's a whole race car, bro.
Some weight reduction right here.
Some weight reduction. NOS coming out. That's crazy, bro. This is hella clean. Damn. You're next, bro. Just switch the blower onto yours. Do it. Why not? As you can see, you guys are seeing the heart of 2VALVE Luna. Z Killer, aka Z Killer.
1,000 horsepower cold air intake right here.
Cold air intake right here.
90mm throttle body.
With a Kenny Bell 3.6 supercharger.
Yeah, my turbos right here, you can see.
All right. What about this? What is this? What is that one for?
This red one?
Yeah, what's that line for?
It gives more power to the headlights, bro.
To the headlights? I love it. That's
the freaking.
That's a 3-step indicator. A 3-step indicator block.
That's the meat shutdown killer.
The meat shutdown. That's the crowd killer. My boy with the dog right here. I love it. We're just chilling, like I said. Chicken Joe's out here, dude, doing this permit test. I don't know, for his car. So, I mean, I don't know if he's gonna pass it or not, but we're just seeing. Like I said, we don't know where this vlog is going. Just trying to get a video. We're just chilling right now. But as you guys can see, we got the heart of the beast right here. Sheesh.
1,000 horsepower stock, bro.
1,000 horsepower stock. Sorry that this vlog might be like all over the place, but that's just how it is sometimes, you know. Sometimes we just can't think of an idea, you know, to make out a video. And today, you know, out here in Cali, it gets dark like super fast, so kind of just driving around with my boy, trying to see what we can do, kind of mob. See, you guys see he's in the back. He's probably gonna pull up right now. God damn, that dude's car is freaking obnoxious. Oh my god, that is freaking crazy. Let's see if we can get a roll with him right now. Got a little roll on the freeway in Mexico. What'd you do? Oh my god, are you serious, Carlos? Oh, no mames. Dude, this dude, bro. This guy's a fucking rookie. Oh my. It's still on there though. Still on? Yeah, yeah. You need to do it a little more. More. Oh, bruh. Are you serious right now?
Mustang owner, bro.
Crazy 2-valve Mustang owners destroys his whole front end? Parking? No, mames, bruh.
It's for compact, bro.
Oh my goodness, this dude. Jesus. But yeah, guys, we made it to the mall. We were just cruising over here. Said might as well. So pick you guys up after we're done looking around and see if maybe Carlos copped something.
Some snow bunnies.
Some snow bunnies. He's a hype beast, so he might cop some stuff. So yeah, let's get it. Two-step, boys. Damn. Guys, I kid you not. Fucking Carlos makes me want to go like just catless, headers, everything. Just do everything. I'm like, damn. Loud. Oh my goodness. That is fucking crazy. Jeez. And just like that, guys, we are back home right now. As you guys can see, it is completely dark. Got the beautiful 2VALVE right now, looking menacing, looking freaking crazy. Guys, she be breaking necks, I swear. Everybody was like turning when actually me and my boy Carlos went to the mall. We were just chilling, cruising around. I actually had these on the whole time and it looks freaking mean. Look at that right there. Whew. Definitely love this mod right here that I did to it. But anyways, yeah guys, like I said, we are back home now basically. Just decided to come do the outro for you guys, let you guys know that basically we stuck so far for the end of this video. Well, this is the end of the video. I know not as too exciting type of video today. Like I said, boys, this is super hard, like thinking of the video and then doing it, and sometimes we just don't have no ideas at all, and today was just kind of one of those days. So I just thought it was pretty cool, you know, get some clips, get some like roller shots of me and my boy just cruising around, having a good time, because this is literally what we do sometimes when we literally have nothing to do. And yeah, so let me know what you guys think. You thought it was pretty cool how freaking loud and obnoxious my boy Carlos's car is, and then his brother's Termi. I really want to get a video with his Termi. Hopefully one day we can set something up, like him taking me on a ride and just like reviewing it and just seeing it. That'd be super dope. I'd be like so freaking excited to do that because it is so freaking clean, as you guys saw. But let me know what you guys think. If you guys are still watching, make sure to drop a fat like, comment, subscribe, join the fam, and I'll see you on the next time. Peace.